Hello there, today I show you my mixed media art, how to use it and custom it. I just show you and give you extra tips. There is the previously apply some result, you can see it, see full of screen, and another one, see everything. You can very easily change the color and the effect. We have some of this is the original and this is the effect, and original photo and our effect looking. Another one, you can add the paper or you can remove the paper very easily. Just uncheck the layer, see the couple photo and painting style. This will work in a high resolution image. See the dancing photo, any type of photo concept, it is set very easily. See, it is set very easily and nicely. The portrait, and if you think the color combination change, you can change the color combination. Okay, now I have start. First to go my download file, there is brush file load and action file, and this is the pattern, this is the help file. You can read the help file, sum of size and instruction and video and our supporting. You can support this mention address and written how to apply. So first load brush, select or double click, it's load automatically, or you can load manually. Go the Photoshop and go window the brush section, brush, click, go there and the input brush. Now find out main file and select it, load button click. Now brush is loaded, close it, go window action option, click, or you can load pattern first. Go the window and the pattern. Now pattern option show on this option, go there and the input pattern and find out my download file there. Select main file, select the pattern, show pattern and download button click. Now it's loaded. Okay, or you can load manually, like already this loaded. Select and double click. Now Photoshop is pop up, that means the pattern is loaded. And now you can load the script. Go window and action option, click. Now action option show our right side, I have set it left side. Go this option and the load action, find out my file, download file there and the load button click. Now it's loaded. This is the folder and this is the script. Now you can open a photo, any type of photo. I show you my users photo for your understanding purpose, like horse. Open this one, and if you think that need some space, you can make some space. We use the crop tool, up and down and bottom, so any of area you can use the tool. And if you want to size, image size, and type there any of size you choice, but standard size 300 pixel, 3500 pixel. I have mentioned my help file. Okay, and now make sure your photo is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photo look like PNG transparent or layer 0, that is not accept the action. You need to fix it, otherwise action make the error. Right button click, how to fix, follow this step. Right button click the layer option and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer, go the option panel option and a small on entire document, all three are tick mark as it is my setting. Okay, this is the basic setting to need to play action. Some of action need to module, so do this carefully, otherwise action make the error. And make sure your photo is a RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, go image mode RGB, just click there. If shown images, click OK. Now I need to select and brush the area, my focus point. So quick selection tool I have select. You can use the pen tool, brush tool, any of tool. If you use the brush tool, then you need to delete if you use the pen tool, you need to delete the path section, delete path, then play the script. Quick selection tool, select there and select subject button, show there and click this, automatically it select your focus point. So it's very easy, so you can follow this step. and create a new layer in the layer section. If not the layer panel show, go window and the layer option, click there. Now double click the new layer text option, only new layer text option, and type there BRUSS brush and click other space. Do not include space or hyphen, comma or uppercase or mix up letter, only lowercase and same spelling. Do not mistake the spelling. Spelling include my help file, or you can see this BRUSS brush. Now my photo is selection. I have select the brush layer, and now I have select the pen bucket tool. You can use the brush tool, and I have check out the color and fill up it my brush layer. See my brush layer, I have select the brush layer and select and fill it the overall area, and now selection mode is on. See selection area, so you need to deselect first, deselect, then apply the script. Okay, and do not change the layer selection. Layer select is brush layer and deselect option. Okay, if you think the sum of area, this is the soft layer default. Sum of area you need to think brush, you can brush manually, and the select brush layer. So you can do this, the brush layer. Okay, now brushing is complete, or you can use this area. So you can cover it, or you can use the brush layer, brush tool, I say previously. Okay, I think this is perfect. Now I select and select all in on play me and hit the play button. Now my photo is working. If sometime you need do not like the effect, you can play again, but you need to delete everything, clear cache like path and history, then you can play the script. We have tried to some different type of effect include, so I have include some effect extra. Hello there, action is done working. Now you can custom, there is more layer unview. So this is the default setup, you can see it and looking everything. Okay, and I have check out and show you and give you the tricks. This is the now this effect now show, and you can use this one. See there is the another looking. I just try to show you how it's look. Is very professional, and every materials are HD quality. So if you use the better photo, the effect look better. There is the another effect, you can view this one, and another looking, see, and you can check out another one. So detail, you can check this one, detail option, and it is very nice. And uncheck all layer, and you can change the top effect the photo. See this one, and you can uncheck this one. This is the one kind of photo, and you have select the max point, select the brush and soft brush, default my soft brush, and also you can raise the opacity. Then you can the white option remove. I need to white remove because my photo is whitish. So okay, I think now is okay, done. And you can remove there. See, so everything is editable, and you can brush this section. Then the back art is show. See, you can do this if you think you need this. And there is the another option. This is the real look, and I like to this one or this one. Now you can adjustment use. You can use adjust. See, our default adjust, this one and this one, and there one and another one. You can adjustment very easily and custom. You can use this. The color option, the cinematic looking. So another one and another one. You can check it. Check the all color combination if you need it. See the grayscale looking, and this is the black and white, and our the color version. Uncheck this one, another looking, another one and another and another. You can double click this option, the color change on color, very easily. Just change the color. So I have include the editable option. This is the paper option. If you don't like the paper option, then you can uncheck this one, and this paper looking, see, uncheck, there is no paper, check. Okay, now I think I show you another photo how it look like portrait or dog painting. I think I show the portrait. Okay, and first time I have made the space in top section, otherwise our brushing are looking not sure. So now select the brush tool and opacity 100% and pick the color in color eyedropper tool color, and first time you can fill it the color white space is better for result. So just pick color this tool, and you can fill it the white space. There is no need to professional, just brush normal way. Okay, and my brushing is finished. I have image size check. You can use any size of image, but my time saving purpose I have used 2500 pixel. You can use any of size. Quick selection tool and select subject button, click. Already my background layer is lock icon show, and create a new layer, double click new layer, text option. I have typed the brush and change the color. You can use any light color for understanding. And if you need to portrait, you can select the brush tool and select it and use the brush. So this time I have used the portrait, so I have used the brush tool. For soft sub brush, use the sub brush for better looking. Now I have selection and deselect mode, this option, and if you think there is a mistake, you can brush selection again and select the all in all, hit the play button, start working. Start working and see the looking, everything is working good. Okay, see the looking and effect. I just show you every detail. Now you can use this one. I have hide this one, see, and you can use this one and use this effects, another looking, just see there, another and another, and I have default setting this one. And now I have show another is set any type of photo. If your photo is more colorful like bird, this bird, then your background will be replace auto in this subject. So I have make a space for this option and this option and covered this one. Okay, and quick selection tool, I have already check out this 3500 because my focus point is small, that's why I have used the more size extra 35500. You can use any high resolution, does not matter it's work perfectly, but fast working needed, so you can make the standard size, and we recommend our use our standard size. Okay, selection and deselect, and I think there is a mistake of position. Okay, everything is okay. Now I have play the script, and I think I need to cut out the video good. And back again. See, the color looking is great. Auto replace any overall area in photo color. You can check out the effect looking, and another one, and another one, and another one. Okay, I think is best for you digital painting. You can use this and use the adjustment is more shining or darkening. You can use the any combination. See, thanks for see this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile and our Facebook fan page. Also, you can live chat with my Facebook fan page or MRI Studio, or you can live message my WhatsApp number, and you can get Anydex live support. Just message me and connect me.